Remember when the inside used to look like this? Yeah, we've got some work to do.
We are back in New York.
It is really hard to park a full-size RV in the middle of New York City, so our dear friends who live upstate, David and Emilee, completely hooked us up, so generous to let us finish Penelope in their backyard.
So we finished the exterior while we were in North Carolina, and now that we're here, we're gonna get the interior finished up. First thing to happen, we gotta get some walls up.
Before the walls can go up, we had to puzzle in all of these different pieces of insulation foam. Lots of different measurements.
We got all of the paneling that we needed at Lowe's. We took one big trip with Penelope. The brown board is for the walls and the white bead board is for the ceiling. So we got her all loaded up and now we're ready to go back home, take her for a little joyride. Foam, the ceiling. As you can see, I put in one piece without you guys, and then I realized I should cord this. So, ceiling time!
To securely fasten the beadboard to the ceiling, we used liquid nails, screws, and also brad nails. Can't be too safe. Oh, yeah, and also, we're in bear country. Are we gonna do the rest of it tonight?
Dave, can we just focus on this right now?
Making these beadboard jigsaw pieces was really hard and really time consuming with all of the different angles and measurements and notches that we had to cut out of them. And we could not have done it without the help of our handy dandy Bosch laser measurer. This thing is awesome. You have to get one of these. This is not a paid sponsorship. We just really like this tool. Macaroni in a pot that's somewhere.
Dave!
Yes.
Where's the pencil?
Sweet Pea.
So the first panel that we're gonna do is from here down. And so our shape will be kind of like it'll go here, down, over, like that, this way, down again. So that'll be our first little jigsaw piece that we're gonna make a little template for. And this is the life size.
Look at that.
Let's go slide it in, see what happens. We were very careful with measure twice, cut once, blah, blah, blah. So hopefully this bad boy fits. Wow, that's a sexy panel.
Good measurements, baby. Really good.
We did it.
We did.
We can do this. Yep. Pressure's on.
I'm gonna regret this. Fight!
That was good. Did it hurt?
And remember, always wear safety glasses, even if you're too lazy, like these guys.
So we got this pink foam not only because it's a very fun toy, but because the original metal window frames that we wanted to repurpose were not sitting flush against the wall. So they needed a 1/4 of an inch pad out on the wall so that they would have a nice secure fit. So we went ahead and cut all of the pink foam to the same size as the panels, and that padded it out enough to be a perfect fit. Some of the neighbors just drove by and gave us a little compliment and feedback, and that they loved what we've done with it, and that they were so impressed by all the work we've done to it. So that felt really good on a hard day.
On a very hard day.
Nervous. Here we go. Things. I'm very proud of that. Look at this.
Dab about it.
Dab about it.
Because we removed the old cabinet that used to be mounted to the back wall, we needed to find a piece of 1/8 inch plywood that could be strong but also extremely flexible to panel our ceiling curve. Turns out bendy plywood is hard to find.
But I'm getting desperate.
Amelia spent hours on the phone with different suppliers, and finally, we found a spot in New Jersey who had exactly what we wanted.
It only took us 200 years to find this board. Stop eating it. It's not good for you.
It's like raw cookie dough. It's like, you can eat it.
No, you can't. So I'm rebuilding the wardrobe here. It was so flimsy and I felt like I could just punch through the wall the way it was originally built. So I wanted to give it some more structure and really build it out the way that we wanted it. And the main reason we rebuilt it is we wanted to have a custom cubby right by the door to put our portable generator in. So if you're ever dry camping, you can just slide it right out and take it right outside and get it all set up. It feels so good to get all of that rotted wood out of there and that mildewy smell. We got all new fresh studs up, wall panels, and we've got a really nice blank canvas to keep moving. And in the next episode, you get to meet my parents.
Yep, Amelia's parents came all the way from Michigan to help us paint the walls and the ceiling and the kitchen cabinets. It looks completely new and fresh, and it's really exciting to see how far we've come. Thank you so much for watching. You can click the subscribe button below if you have not already. That'll notify you whenever there's a new video coming out, which should be next week. Follow us at BBandtheRV on Instagram and Facebook as well. And we'll see you next time.
Thank you guys. We're so excited.
Thanks.
Sorry I said we're so excited again. You nailed it though, and that's an easy cut.